Hey everyone! Welcome back to your English grammar tip. Today, we're talking about two important words, much and many. When do we use them? Use much with uncountable nouns, things you cannot count. Example, I don't have much time. You can't count time like 1 time, 2 times, right? Use many with countable nouns, things you can count. Example, there are many books on the table. You can count books easily, 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. Here's a quick tip, if you can count it, use many. Let's see more examples. I don't have much water. I don't have much money. I have many pens. There are many apples in the box. Do you have much time? No, but I have many tasks to do. Now you try, fill in the blank.